Alright, so this is my bike. I got it on eBay for about like 200 bucks or something, and I already got some upgrades, as you can see. So when there's cars behind me, that's just what they see. This is a 26-inch bike, so it had some problems fitting in, so this thing had to be bent a little bit, but we're chilling. And on top of it, it's got a banana muffler with actually a muffler on it. And right now I'm running, it's still kind of in the break-in period, so I'm running 25 to 1, but before I was running 18 to 1. I already went through like 2 tanks of that, and I somehow dented it. Oh yeah, because it fell one time. But it's got this like weird speedometer thing. You know, it's only in kilometers, so it's not really accurate for miles per hour. But I'm probably gonna get a digital one soon. So I maxed out at about 40. That's just about when I stopped. It can go a little faster, but I don't want it to because it's still breaking, as you know. But yeah, I got reed valve there, HP carb, and the gas is blue, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, looks green on camera, but it's blue. And I use Lucas oil. I'll show you. That's the oil I use. This will last me a while. So I added about 5 ounces. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's 24 to 1. So, and it's synthetic, so it lasts longer than the other type of oil. I forgot what it's called though. The problem I had when I first got it was the clutch was slipping. So I would have it fully in, and it still wouldn't. It would still like, you know, be engaged. Once it was disengaged, it was still like kind of weird. I don't know. I had to do some custom fitting. As you can see, there's spacers right there. So, and I got this spring chain tensioner, so it'll be tight always. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that's my bike. And yeah, it's a 66cc or 80cc, I don't really know, but yeah, that's a race car.